सोयाबीन खाना ही नहीं है अगर आपको बेटर हेल्थ चाहिए तो।
Kashish Gupta, student who makes bussin' YouTube shorts, reels and TikTok videos, has been found yapping shit on the goddamn internet, and boy oh boy, this has pissed off a lot of netizens.
The problem isn't that you don't know science. The problem is you pretend like you do.
To start off with, motherfucker, your goddamn accent is absolute dog shit, and your pencil neck guru had to say this few years back.
ये इतना बेवकूफ है ना, कम से कम इंग्लिश ही आती होगी।
A lot of Indians, vegetarians and vegans consume a shit ton of soya chunks and they're good to go.
बात तो सही है।
Meanwhile, your punk ass scaremongers the gen pop about soya chunks, and you need to get off the goddamn myth and go read the literature about the soya chunks, my friend. Here's a damn meta-analysis published on 2019 citing benefits of soy protein. A damn meta-analysis from fucking Cambridge, a 2011 meta-analysis. A cumulative meta-analysis of the soy effects over time published in 2019 that cites positive soy boy benefits. A 2011 meta-analysis, a 2005 meta-analysis, 2019 meta-analysis of prospective cohort studies, an umbrella review of 114 meta-analysis, yada yada.
अरे बाप रे, ये तो धोती खोल रहा है।
So the study you cited was conducted on folks who consumed soy protein isolate powder, and you concluded that soya chunks are bad.
ये वाली स्टडी में जब लोगों को 3 ग्रुप में बांट दिया गया तो एक ग्रुप को वे प्रोटीन दिया गया, दूसरे को सोय प्रोटीन और तीसरे को कुछ भी प्रोटीन नहीं दिया गया।
अच्छा।
This part of my argument might sound lame, but comparing soya chunks to soy protein isolate powders is similar to comparing paneer to whey protein isolate powders. It's like the math in mathing kind of dilemma going on. Also, the study concluded that the soy partially blunts serum testosterone levels, which is similar to getting a screwed one night sleep and your testosterone crashes down. Shit. We can have an offline debate, and you should definitely live stream it where you deep throat my frickin' meat missile, and that's your frickin' recipe to learn better English, and this would make your pencil neck guru Kashish Gupta proud. I consume soya chunks and soy protein isolate powders on a regular frickin' basis, and this is your frickin' face, and this is the image of my mugshot, and let the audience decide who has more testosterone levels in the comment section below. Lad, I think I went too hard on you, and that's what all of my ex-girlfriends used to say. Shave your damn head because your hairline is clearly gone. Don't get married because you're gonna get cucked. And the drama of child support and paying alimony is absolute dog shit. No cap, bro, you're kinda cute because your face looks like my ball sack, and I have sent you my dick pic in the DMs because I freaking slid in your goddamn DMs to raise you up. To conclude, please shut the fuck up, lad, or else I'll butt fuck you again, and god damn, please stop fear-mongering about soya chunks to Gen Pop. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
Please to channel my Sakrapara Sacrifice